It's Saturday, December 18th, 2021. Just wanted to make a quick video this evening. I hope everybody's having a phenomenal weekend. Please give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell notification down below so that you are alerted with the newest videos. There is going to be so much happening in 2022, and we really have got to stick together. And I want to thank everybody for the comments down below because they are just eye-opening. People are really opening their minds to what's going on. They're beginning to see the reality that a collapse is taking place right now. And it is a matter of time before the stock market collapses, the housing market, the bond market, the crypto market. We are going to see one collapse after another. Now, I believe that that is going to begin in 2022. I don't give dates. I don't have a crystal ball, but there is no way, in my personal opinion, that we are not going to see a lot of this beginning to burst financially in 2022. The warning signs are all over the place. You know, the old Poison song, it said, so many lose, so few win. And that is going to be so true for the future of 2022 and beyond. You know, there are so many gunslingers in these markets. Yes, gunslingers, they call them. People just taking humongous risk, gigantic risk, chances, just gambling. And as you and I know, gunslingers in the past didn't live to be too long. But there's a lot of people out there in these markets that call themselves gunslingers. They're going to learn a very valuable lesson. And I think that their career gunslinging in these markets, many of them will see an end to their career in 2022. Right now, we are seeing retail sales collapsing. I believe, and I think a lot of you believe also, that this housing market has peaked. We continue to see massive job losses, people losing their jobs, people quitting. Energy prices surging. Went to the gas pump today. I don't have to remind you what is happening. There's a new gas station that opened near my house. And it's one of the Indian tribes that opened it across from one of the casinos. And gas there is about 30 cents below anywhere out here in the desert. And let me tell you, I drove by it this evening. I could not believe how many people were in line to save 30 cents a gallon. That's a lot. Don't get me wrong. That's a lot of money, 30 cents a gallon. And people are willing to wait in long lines for 30 cents a gallon. And that just tells me people are pinching their pennies as energy prices surge, food prices are surging, along with food shortages. 102 cargo ships out in Long Beach in LA today. We all, I think, can agree, except a few. There's still a lot of people out there in denial, but rate hikes are coming in 2022. Less bond buying is coming in 2022. The tapering will begin, ladies and gentlemen. How long it lasts, I don't know. But I think we're going to see big changes and huge volatility in 2022. This worldwide Ponzi scheme has gone parabolic. And all this that I'm talking about right now is just reinforcing with you and I why this whole thing is going to collapse. Okay, we just cannot have these bubbles. We can't have millions of people quitting their jobs. We can't have 107 million people not in the labor force. What is coming is unstoppable, ladies and gentlemen. It is going to happen. I believe that we're going to see very big trouble financially in 2022, and you know that pours out socially. We are seeing the purge now in major cities across the country. What does this look like when things really get bad? When these markets collapse, when this economy begins to plunge even more than it has now. Liquidity will dry up in 2022. Expect to see risky investments like crypto to crash. Yes, I believe that is very possible. So many people gambling in these Ponzi schemes. And look, I don't have anything against crypto. If you have money you want to gamble, God bless you. I hope you make money. But there's so many people out there that pulled equity, cashed in out of their homes, using them as ATMs to buy into this bubble stock market, to buy into the crypto market. You have investors gambling on AMC. They're investing in GameStop. This mentality of winning the lottery and that you're going to become rich on $1,000 and you're going to make $1 million off of $1,000 investment because everybody's doing this on Reddit, very, very dangerous. And so many people who only had a few $1,000s to gamble in these markets, they're going to be completely wiped out. They are going to lose it all. Look, the inside players, the big boys, the people who are connected, they're all getting out. And there are people out there that think that they're going to outsmart these people, that they're going to outsmart the algorithms and the computers. Most investors today hold everything they own on their phone. Think about that. All their cryptos, all their AMC, all their GameStop, all their investments are all on a phone. And I think that that's very, very dangerous for a multitude of reasons, ladies and gentlemen. But all we have to do is see the power go out. All we have to do is see an electronic run like we saw in 2008. And everything you own, think about it, everything you own is on your phone. And this is why I believe it is so important to own real, hard, tangible assets. This is the time to own real things, not just things on your phone. Everyone today is a speculator. Everyone is a day trader. Everybody, I hear everybody at the gym talking about their day trading and the speculation of this crypto, that crypto, this investment over here, that investment. Everybody is a day trader now. Everybody's speculating. And a lot of these people took money from those stimulus checks and speculated it and gambled it into the market. Many people who were making more money to stay at home because they were getting paid unemployment plus $600 benefit checks, these people were speculating and gambling in these crypto markets, in the stock market, causing a bigger bubble. But now everybody has all the answers. Everybody believes it can only go up. But I think people have to believe that. They have to believe that it can't crash because they're scared. They cannot face the truth. They cannot face the reality of what's going to happen if things don't go up. They can't face the reality of what's going to happen when interest rates go up, when the tapering begins. This is all going to come down, ladies and gentlemen. The free money, the boom in the stock market, it's all winding down as I make this video this weekend. This mentality of YOLO, you only live once. This is the gunslinger mentality. You only live once. And people have taken literally every cent that they have to invest in these markets, to invest in so many of these Ponzi schemes, believing that they're going to buy a crypto for 1 cent and hope that it's going to go to $1 or to $5 and that they're going to sail off into the sunset. They're speculating on GameStop, AMC, crypto. People, again, took all their money and speculated. And I think that people are going to learn a very, very valuable lesson. Speculation won't protect you, ladies and gentlemen, from the collapse that has begun. Owning real things, in my opinion, is the only thing that is going to protect you. And look, that goes from food to water to security to owning physical gold, physical silver, to owning candles, to batteries, to vitamins and pharmaceuticals that you may need. These are all real things. And these are the type of things that are going to be the most important during a collapse. This thing has been going on for years. In fact, we can go back to 2008 when it really, really all began, and you could argue before that. But we really saw the beginning of this collapse in 2008. Nothing got fixed. We've just printed money to infinity. We've kept interest rates at zero. And nobody wanted to be the bad guy. Nobody wanted to put a stop to the party. I don't know if Jerome Powell is going to be the guy to do that. We don't know. But no matter the situation here, whether he does it or not, if he doesn't, then we're just going to see hyperinflation go to the moon. If he does put his foot down, then we're going to have to see interest rates go well beyond the inflation rate. But ask yourself right now, today, this weekend, it's a perfect weekend. What do you really own? Hopefully it's not debt. Hopefully it's not payments. Hopefully you own something, and hopefully you own the right things for this collapse. And I don't have all the answers. I can't tell everybody what to do. This isn't me telling you what to do. This is me just sharing with you some of the things that I'm doing, some of the things I'm thinking about. And we have to think about the real financial threats out there. And we need to get worried. We need to get very, very concerned right now, because if we don't, we're not going to take action. And we're not going to protect ourselves, and we're not going to be proactive. So I think now is the time to get a bit worried. Now is the time to get concerned, because you need to take action. I don't give financial advice. You all know that. But what I do is make these videos, and I speak out loud, think out loud, share with you what I'm doing, some of my friends are doing, and I'm just sharing with you some of the concerns that I see. And I read those comments, and a lot of my friends read those comments, and people are worried. They're worried about the banking system. They're worried about small business. They're worried about massive taxation. People are being evicted. People are losing homes. This is all going to snowball into an avalanche, okay? It's going to get much worse. And you have to ask yourself, are video game stocks, are movie house stocks, are penny stocks in the crypto world going to protect you during the worst of times? And I cannot emphasize this enough. I cannot reiterate this enough. 2022, ladies and gentlemen, is not going to be any joke. I believe we're going to see serious, serious problems. And I say that because over the past year, they have been trying to put a Band-Aid on multiple gunshot wounds here, okay? The money has run out. People now are not going to be as liquid as they once were. The $600 benefits have run out. The stimulus checks have run out. For many people, unemployment overall has run out. And that means that the clock is running out. The liquidity now out there is drying up. If people don't get free money, they can't gamble. They can't go out and shop. They can't buy into the Ponzi schemes. And now it's all drying up. And as it dries up, prices are going up as inflation surges. So this is a perfect storm, ladies and gentlemen, a perfect storm. And again, so many people are going to lose. So many people are going to lose, and so few will win. Make sure that you get on the right side of this. Bet against the debt. Open up your eyes and your ears and really educate yourself. I can't tell you what to do. Don't believe anything I'm saying. Do your own homework. Do your own due diligence. I pray for all of you to get prepared. This is not going to be a very nice time in our history. I promise you that. Things are about to get very, very bumpy. It's time to put a seatbelt on. It's time to get our priorities in order. It's another great weekend to get your preparations situated. Go get some cans of food, get some water. Did you buy a little bit of silver? Did you buy some gold? Did you put some vitamins away, some candles, some matches, an extra pair of boots, some jeans? Think about things that you may need if the lights go out. It's very, very possible that we see a grid go down, lights go down, power out. What are you going to do? Could you survive a week, 2 weeks? It's getting cold back east. Lots of things to think about. So I'll leave you with this. Take this weekend and think about, what do you own? What have you done to protect yourself for this collapse? This collapse has been very, very slow, but it's going to get very, very sudden. God bless you all. Stay safe and get out and protect yourself with some preparations and some assets, ladies and gentlemen. God bless.